Hey friends, Casey from Nashville, Tennessee. So I have given myself a challenge because my challenge is I decided to do a bodybuilding contest in July. So I have quite a few months out, thank goodness. And it's a bikini competition. So am I terrified? Terrified beyond belief. Yes, absolutely terrified. But that being said, I feel like it was a challenge, a transformation that I've done so many transformations in my life, and this was just one more transformation that I needed to do. So I'm going to go forward. I'm going to do a lot different than, of course, the younger friends because I'm terrified of injuries, and injury is going to mess the whole thing up. So I'm kind of sticking with the same routine. I'm on bodybuilders.com. There's amazing people. Love that website. And I'm going to the gym for an hour and a half, 6 days a week, which is hard because I'm still working 10 hours a day. So please support this channel. Please hit subscribe. Every day I do release a new recipe that I've created, and they're just in the short version, which I love. They're just a minute long. And the beauty of it is if you hit subscribe and you get onto my channel, you get the whole recipe in a minute. Okay. It's written in the description below. So please hit subscribe on my recipes because I do one recipe, healthy recipe a day. So I'm doing a keto. I'm still doing the intermittent fasting. So I'll still be fasting till noon. I will be eating a salad or a healthy soup with my bone broth, which I have cooking right now actually. At noon, the only thing I kind of had to switch up a little bit was I needed to do a pre-workout protein snack and a post-workout snack. So I went ahead and created some little recipes for that. I have really cut my carbs down. Yes, I used to cheat with some crackers and such, but like I just stopped cheating with crackers, which wasn't that hard. The thing is, I think it's gonna be different about me than those young girls or any age person that does it who's doing the high carbs. Like they're doing 300 grams of carbs, are doing so much processed food, which all those chemicals are just also not good for your body. I'm doing this gluten-free the whole way. I am doing this completely keto, ketogenic diet, and there'll be upcoming videos. So please hit subscribe and this notification so you understand what the ketogenic diet is. So I am going to do it natural, healthy, using the same supplements that I always have. This week's progress, just so you know, my starting point was 135.5 pounds, yes. It was 29% body fat, which actually wasn't that bad. The thing I was the most proud of was it was just like I had 6 pounds of bone mass, which amazing for my age, was like way above average. So definitely love that vitamin K diet. I was really happy with all of that, and I feel like there's lots of progress. There'll be another weigh-in next Saturday. And I'm going to the gym 6 days a week. Follow me on my routine. I'll be posting those shortly when I'm better and more comfortable. Now, granted, I do have to say a little, qualification is I have been working out at home, because of pandemic and all that sort of stuff. And I've been running and working out. That's okay. You know what? I have faced worse fears. I have overcome way worse odds. I mean, I'm sure all the women or men or anybody out there can relate to, I'm living in a beautiful townhouse right now that, was homeless for a bit as a teenager. Yes. Worked my way through college as a waitress at Vonti's in Bloomington Normal, Illinois. Worked my way through college. Love those people. Amazing restaurant to work at. But literally, I was just serving pizza, getting through life. And then you get married, you think everything's gonna be better, everything's gonna be amazing, then a divorce gets thrown out. Get divorced, you're in town, you have no family, working as a special education teacher, had to remodel the house. Oh, man's gonna join the video. Hi, man. So sweet. You want some love. So he knows he gets videos. When there's a video, it's the love. But life is hard and difficult. And then when my youngest you know, all these challenges in life, raising 3 teenagers all by myself with the family support. I decided to make that big move to Nashville, and then there was an ice storm, and just like one thing after another. You know what? I'm here. I'm surviving, and my transformation is I'm going to do amazing. I know it. I know I can do this. I know that all of you can do this, because you know what, you're all amazing people and you all have it inside of you. It's like you have that inner voice that says you can do it, and it's just like you need the tools in your toolbox. So maybe you just don't have the right mental framework that can help you be successful to transform your life, because I know I can help you to also transform your life and to be the best, most amazing person in this most amazing year.